Okay. Yeah. So your not see not only your answers, maybe most of the people, 90% of the people, they create the logics or create the formulas. But that is to the extent of manual afterwards. Or suppose if any changes in the input, that will not work. Okay. Again, you need to rebuild the formula. But what I am suggesting, anytime when you started building the formula, think in the future. Any data changes, any requirement, that should work. That is my idea. Okay. So whatever the answers you are it's working. So at this point of time, both answers are correct. But what my expectation is, suppose instead of issue or result is there. Not only this, suppose two three additional items there here. Then again you need to rebuild the formula, isn't it? Correct. Will it work? Suppose if any two three elements if you give there, will it work?
No, I checked yesterday, it was not working.
Yeah. So, Danny, your formula also, will it work? Suppose if you two, three elements, if you add into this date, will it work?
It will not work, sir.
So that is the idea. Okay. That is what I call the dynamic. Once if you set the formula, it must work all the time. No repair. So when the possibility is there, we need to build the formula in such a way that in the future also it work, whatever may be the changes in the input. Okay. Till that level you need to think. Till that level you need to think. Not just don't limit your thinking only to the extent of the data. You need to think future. Suppose if you get 2, 3, 4 elements, maybe how many elements we don't know. Or suppose if you delete this it will not work the formula. Okay. So that is the idea. So let me see how can we build that extent. Okay. Now, so basic formula is, the main formula is sum ifs, because multiple criteria. One criteria sum if, multiple criteria sum ifs. So what I can suggest, sum if forget. Always suppose one criteria and multiple criteria will go with sum ifs only. Okay, that's the one thing. Now, so here sum ifs when you do, so we have the multiple criteria to get the sum. One criteria is this, another criteria is this, date and element. Okay. Elements there in the one header, that is complete header is there, that's fine. But for the date header, we don't have the complete information here. Okay, that is the problem. Now people, what they do, they put the equal sign and they do the date here. That is it is hard to see the date in all the columns. That I don't prefer. Even you don't like, definitely. Okay. So otherwise, they give the data formula here. Then they change the color here into this. Then it will date is there, but the will to be shown. But by chance, suppose if you delete, what will happen? Then some if will go away. Okay. These are the challenges there in the when you build the formula, but that is not the we don't want the risk. Only thing, when you give the date in the respective area, but still I need to work some formula. What we need to do, think little. Okay. Now suppose I get this. Okay. Now here when you go here, for this element I need to get pick date, whatever is here, I need to pick date here. That is the only thing when you think. So wherever you go, till the next date comes, you need to get here, correct? Previous date you need to get. Suppose I delete like 3-4 elements like this, many elements. Till you get the date, you need to get here. Means what is the condition? Just to think. So when I date here, okay, I need to get this. Suppose when you go here, that date should display for this also. When I copy here the formula, whatever the date, that should display here, correct? Then that date we can use in the SUMIFS criteria, date criteria, correct?
Yeah.
So I am repeating again. As you copy it like this, my date element should get here till the next date. Previous date should get what you need to do. Okay. Then we need, suppose if you get this, automatically SUMIFS done. I told you, so simple. That's all. But think like this. When I copy this, my element should change. Then we have the day criteria. One criteria element is standard header. One criteria element is date. Date will come pick automatically. But how to pick the date is very important. See here, very small formula. So we can see the mini formula. What is the mini formula will do?
It will look at the minimum value.
From the minimum selection, from the selection, minimum will take, right? Sorry, maximum, not minimum, maximum. Maximum it will take. Now I will select here, okay? Then again I select this date. Now see, what is the maximum here into this only, this date. Now, when you copy here, I should refer this only. Correct? From here only you should select. But next column, next cell column in the paste, this column should select. Right? This is expandable range in the count if we do that. Suppose here you see, when you copy paste here, so what is happening here? This is appearing, right? Now, when you copy here, again date is appearing. You see how it is coming?
I tried this maximum minimum both Ananda, but I don't know, it did not work for me.
See here like so you using maybe this is not fixed.
Maybe.
That's the reason. So see here like only set this cell selected. Suppose when you go here, these two cells selected. This is a 0. This is a like date. So which is the maximum? 2 like this. Now when I copy here, when I copy here, what will happen? You see here, second date will come. Short date. See here. So automatically say this date will appear. See here now. See here. Date is appearing. This is the base you need to take. This is the date criteria and the SUMIF. This criteria is there, na? So instead of referring this, you need to refer this. That's all simple. Then anytime you need insert column, so automatically this date criteria will take automatically. That will you get the value. Okay. Now when I go here, say copy this. First test manually is criteria is appearing. So now here SUMIFS. So I need to go here. So sum is this. Okay. So F4. Then date here. Okay. fix this, then paste the formula, correct? Then again here select, then go to report. So take the criteria here. So again row you need to fix. Now, so this I need to get the number. See here now, it will work. See, this is reference is wrong. See now, this is very important. Fix as and when you get the formula. Okay. So as and when select. See automatically. Suppose in the one more criteria we will put here. So in the first date, I'll put one more criteria here. So first date, I'll copy this and will paste here. So criteria is issues regard rework. So rework is say 5. Okay. Now I'll go here and put the rework. Here rework. Automatically any element when you get here, automatically it will work. So only one formula will work all the columns and rows. As long as you have only one formula. Suppose you have that total, then one formula is not work because the total is there. Na? So if at all, this also we can make dynamic. Can you do this? Can we do this logic? One formula you need, suppose if you total bring, we need to get total here. Otherwise, we need to continue. Can you do that? See, this is this is how I start thinking a lot. Okay, but still you can do this. How can we do this? I need to get total from this is a too much of asking, but why I'm digging all this to improve the logic. Okay, so now this is like sum. If when you go here like total there, total all again we need to take from here to here only. When you go here, total from here to here only. Okay, so how can we get the logic? See here, so simple project, but still when you go and dig in the logics, we can get simple project. We can get so many logics to create. This is what I will say. Think in such a way that no manual work at all. Then your logical thinking improve a lot. Now see, you need to incorporate formula in such a way that when I get the total heading, I need to get total, but total should within the table you should select. Clear this requirement now? Can you try?
Okay.
So please try. Don't worry, because this is once if you crack this type of things, any logic, any situation you can crack and make. It will take like maybe 1 month or something. Definitely you can crack. That the time all the formulas will come and dance in front of you. I am there to help. Then pick it, do it. That's all. You see here maximum formula, how it will work. That at the same time, total when you do, my total will be, say, suppose here only is like few columns are there. Please remember, You don't expect all the columns are same. Here, like, maybe 7 columns or something. So here, like, two columns, 3 columns. But when I copy paste the formula, okay. So the total column, total work immediately. The otherwise, sum of column should take. Then don't think total column only so much total. But here, like, 7 column, 8 columns. Here only 2 columns total required. How to do that? Again, there is like a challenge. So think over how can you get 7 column total and 2 column total. How can you do it? It's just definitely can do it. Yes. Now think you could definitely by next week you can think a lot in this. You can do it. I trust that. Because the way you thought and gave the answer, that work and even after saying this, definitely you can fix this also. I want total of wherever the heading, within that date, I need to get total. Can you try?
ಸಾಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣನ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತು ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಅಂತ ಈ ತರಹ ರಾಜನ ಮಗ
Sure, Anand.
ರಾಜನ ಮಗ ಪುತ್ರ
Danny, is it possible or not possible?
Yeah, it is possible, sir.
Yeah, that's the confidence. Yes. So definitely one underlying statement. If anything, okay. This is my confidence. Okay, not one confidence. Okay, if anything is logic, formula can be done. Anything, no limitation at all. Maybe formulas big, but you can do it. But it is a judgmental. Right? I know site not possible. If it is judgmental, definitely you can say no, don't think too much, not possible. Logical, yes, possible, but it may take time to think. That's all, like, you don't need to think too much. Is possible to build or not. This is once if you have this confidence, anything accept it within a month, it's possible or not possible. Don't think too much time. When it's possible, yes, you need to think, take time, do it, build the logic one by one. Danny formula, I saw one paragraph, big paragraph. Logic inside logic, yes. So it'll be there in this. Okay. So this in the YouTube one I usually used to tell some story. Okay, if you don't mind, I can show that video. Okay, you can you share that video? Okay.
Yeah, Anand.
That
Sure, sir.
really you master in Excel. Okay, that concept really master in Excel. Okay, so let me see. I thought like keep it, but let me search here. What is a comedy? What is the thing? We'll search. What is the what is that I can say? Very nice, actually. It's a long time I saw, but let me search it. Fish, cow store. Anyway, I'll send the link. Okay. So I can tell you normally how I used to tell, but the similar kind of thing is there. Okay. So imagine a school days, maybe 50 years back, how the schools were. Did you have any? Do you have any idea? 50 years back, schools in the villages. You know how the schools were running that time? The schools and relationship with the students and teachers, and how teacher is to teach the lessons, all that. Any wild guess? Maybe your parents would have told you. But I had the experience. Hello?
Open kind school, sir. It was in the villages.
Okay, that's one thing. Then how the teaching happens from the teachers to student? Because I am thinking, when you go back, this story related to that.
It was not friendly, no, sir. It was one-way teaching. You
No
know.
friendly, no friendly.
Yeah, one-way teaching. What they tell is like, permanent. I mean, that is the truth. No cross question. This is what I have heard.
Okay, now I'll tell you. Suppose,
Yes.
I'll take, suppose Raju is a student, name the student. Okay, Raju as a student. Okay, so Raju is an orphan. Okay, nobody is there, but he's the student is, but he works for the all the way houses. So whoever calls, like he goes and work in the house. So nobody is there for him. So those days, teachers will not allow any student, being the work, not coming to the student school. So the teachers used to send few of the students and to bring that fellow and make him sit in the school, like that. Not allow any children to be on the work, like that. So Raj also, like used to go to school. Okay, so that is the situation for Raju. So Raju, Raju goes to school, and he used to sleep always. Okay, because that is the place he can take rest, and because of the tired, working all the houses, so he can sleep aram se there. But one thing this teaches, suppose if teacher ask any questions to student, so teacher will not tolerate if they don't get answer from the student. This to beat. But all the students very good, they're giving answers, but this Raju could not give any answers for the teacher questions because he cannot listen to the class because he used to sleep always. So he could not, answer. This is a situation going on. Every day teacher asks students questions, and all were giving answers, but Raju could not. Teacher used to beat a student, but those days teacher is so intense teaching because if they don't beat any students, they feel like as they didn't teach well, like that. Okay. So Raju always started beating all that. So yeah, that's fine. After a few months, there is a topic was asked. Each student gave the answers. Then Raju turn came. Raju also started giving because it's a area of topic. Okay, tell about cow. Okay, so Raju, though he didn't listen what teacher said in the class, but he gave the answers more than teacher answer. What teacher told in the class. The Raju gave more information the cow. Okay, cow structure he told. Cow has two horns and four legs, and it's black and white, all that, and it eat grass and it give milk. So milk through milk we can make buttermilk, curd, and make you can give we need to sell and get money, and so give cow gives cow dung. This will give use in the field, and so we use cow dung as a fertilizer, and all that. Lot maybe half an hour spoke about cow. Okay, teacher also happy because Raju give answer. Okay, that they no student get beating. Anyway, except Raju, nobody will get beating. Okay. Then, okay. So sorry, other means it goes. Okay. Now, so teacher what said next day. So maybe Raju get caught. Is okay and beat him. Teacher planned. Okay. So that day topic is summer. Okay. So Raju, as usual, slept in the class. When a teacher asked, he stood and told summer is very hot. In the hot, people cannot work in the field or this thing. So they take shelter under a tree. So not only people cow also will take shelter in the under tree. So cow means a cow linked to this thing started giving this cow story. Teacher thought, okay, what is it? I asked a summer, but he gave something related to summer only. But how come link this cow into the summer? I didn't even thought, but he is giving but it makes sense, right? So teacher, okay, anyway, I didn't teach, but still logic is correct. So teacher accepted answer. Okay, good. Then next day, one more topic. So like that, many topics, many days passed away, passed. Then teacher thought maybe many days passed without beating any student. So I need to get topic. You need to give topic. So this should not link to unearth. So then then Raju cannot link to cow. So automatically I can beat Raju. So that was the plan. The plan had teacher had. Then next day teacher asked about the moon. Raju, get up. So talk about the moon. So moon, so Razo stood and started like, moon, I don't know where it is exactly. But suppose if we talk out to moon, tell the moon means like, you know that. So, means like, people know and people will go also to moon. People go means automatically, cow also will be with more, people. So cow means so and so started the cow story. So that is the logic brought by the student. No related, like, teacher told that, but this Razo linked cow into the moon. So that is like, that is a logic we need to apply in the Excel also. Maybe you would not have seen the logic and the link here in the Excel, but if have the capability of thinking, you can link and relate. Don't restrict whatever you see, okay? But beyond that, you need to go. But definitely, you can achieve anything, okay? Which is not possible any other application, because that's the limit for the languages. But Excel is a huge. I build lot of logics beyond this. Not only earlier I used to take a lot of time, but instantly if in any situations, yes, I can do it off immediately, because that's a logic we need to think beyond this. No restriction at all. Okay, so this also you think and we can get the logic and any situation come, you can build the logic and make dynamically automate thing, not partial. Partial means only copy paste only this area, then again this area. No, not like that. You can copy paste across. First cell you copy, paste across table. It should work. This helps when you manage the team, especially manage the team. You cannot go each and everything. First cell, when you, so suppose like you see 111, we can see like filter 11 is working, but all the cells you cannot do it, right? So then copy paste, select and copy paste, it will work. Definitely, that's all is your job. But don't trust team members. This thing, suppose you are a reviewer. So when you have the skill, managing the process, managing the team and their work, very easy. Very easy. Everything will be under your control. Okay. Okay, that was the cow story and the logic. So explore it, things. You can start building. If you need anytime, if you feel bored, take up Excel and while thinking, do so situation create, build a formula. That's how we need to improve the logic. One more thing, trust. This is evergreen applications, Excel. So one more thing, when you have the logic, there is one more it's called Power BI. You must have heard this. Power BI the application. Power BI built based on the Power BI and the Tableau. I think what is the Tableau? Okay, Tableau. Okay, this both are similar kind of formulas are there. Okay, but similar kind of how Excel formula. But here Power BI we need to call as a DAX formula. Here Excel also is there. That is an advanced one, more than advanced. That I'm not talking about that now. So Power BI DAX formulas are there. DAX formulas like 300 plus formulas are there. Imagine 300 and plus. When you Excel, when you give the logic, and you will be the expert in the Power BI applications. Okay. So then this is the next stage. This is very easy when you have you build the logics in Excel. Okay. These people, there is a limitation also this. But when you do that, imagine 1 month, 1 or 2 months, like, I could, learn and develop the Power BI dashboards. Okay. So very, these are Power BI applications. So we can do this. Okay. So this is the advantage. Means why I am telling all this. So don't think this is only after some time, like, this is useless. This very important in the coming days. Okay. Even Excel will in the future, maybe 5-10 years down the line, the Excel itself will build all the Power BI DAX formulas. Okay. So anyway, that you started, please don't leave. So definitely, maybe 1 or 2 years down the line, when you take the Power BI course, definitely it will be, useful a lot. Okay. So that's all, background about, logic and how it is important, because here we can limit the copy paste, but Power BI you cannot limit the copy paste. You don't have the copy paste option here in the tracks. Okay. So I'm opening and see. So whatever the formula when you build, automatically it will apply the entire table. So no, that may no limitation. So only the possibilities build the correct logic for the Power BI. That's how it will work. Okay. So so we'll after 1 minute we'll reconnect, and we'll discuss about charts. Okay, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
interesting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And from that time, the answers are not coming.
Sorry. Madam, I